Right. You're
So
right.
now, where does this idea come from, Shawn?
So I've been really big into RC cars and RC planes and drones almost my whole life. My uncle flew them. I lived right next to a RC field. So I got the bug really early. I've built my own. And so I bought one called, it's made by a company called Flight Test. They're we talked about podcasts. They started as a podcast. They were great video guys. They're funny. And now they do nationwide and even international festivals and stuff, all surrounding the RC community. So they offer these build your own kits. And one of them is called a Gremlin. They had 4 different designs of this Gremlin. So 4 of their guys went to a 3D printer, modeled it, bought the parts, sourced all the parts. Then you just buy the kit and you put it together and you build it. So
what is this though? I mean, what kind of RC is it?
So it's a quadcopter drone.
It's a drone. Okay.
Yeah, so it's a drone. Yep. So I've got it somewhat complete already, but I'm encountering some difficulties with programming the flight controller and getting my radio to sync properly with the receiver and things like that. So I want to finish this project by the time we get our next segment up next week, and then kind of explain some of the troubles that I found and how I sourced the solutions. Because we just talked about it, so that's why I thought about this idea.
I like it.
I've used the internet to source the forums on Flight Test, YouTube videos to figure out what I did wrong or where I went wrong, and I've been able to be successful in creating a project.
Like it? What?
I don't like it.
Why are you being the curmudgeon?
He's embarrassed.
Why?
Stop it, Justin. Stop calling me out in public.
Why are you being the curmudgeon on this idea? I like this idea.
Because my wife's going to hear it, and then I'm going to have to do more. Come on.
All right. So for our listeners that wanted to actually check out the video, this section of the video is up on our website at TechtalkRadio.com to see what you want to show that to the camera one more time, Shawn. What are you going to do with this?
Well, it's going to be completed. I'll have props on it, and I'm going to fly it, attempt to fly it.
Will you fly it during the show? Next week?
I can. Yes.
We got to see it fly. So
I will hook it up. I can do this. I will hook it up and get the stream into my A10 Mini so you guys can see it live. How about that?
I love it. I love it.